Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. This is the video for top 10 tech skills in demand. There is always a demand in the tech skills. We will discuss the top 10 technologies that are in demand in the market. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. Let's begin. First technology is machine learning. Machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine language algorithms build a mathematical model based on sample data known as. Second technology is mobile app development. Mobile app development is the act or process by which a mobile application is developed for mobile devices such as personal digital assistants, enterprise digital assistants or mobile phone. These applications can be pre-installed on phones during manufacturing platforms or delivered as web application using server-side or client-side processing, example JavaScript, to provide an application-like experience within a web browser. Third technology is SEO, SEM marketing. SEO matlab search engine optimization has traditionally been thought of as a component of search engine marketing, encompassing both paid and organic tactics. Today, however, SEM is used to refer exclusive to paid search. According to SEL, Search Engine Land, search engine marketing SEM is the process of gaining website traffic by purchasing ads on search engine. Whereas search engine optimization, that is SEO, on the other hand, is defined as the process of getting traffic from free, organic, editorial और natural search result. So SEM को हम बोल सकते हैं paid research and SEO is the organic funda. Fourth technology is data visualization. Data visualization is the graphic representation of data. It involves producing images that communicate relationships among the representative data to the viewers of images. This communication is achieved through the use of systematic mapping between graphic marks and data values in the creation of visualization. This mapping establishes how data values will be represented visually, determining how and to what extent a property of a graphic mark, such as size or color, will change to reflect changes in the value of datum. Data visualization, visualizing the data in the graphics form. Fifth technology is data engineering. Data engineering is the aspect of data science that focuses on practical applications of data collection and analysis. For the work that data scientists do to answer questions using large set of information, there have to be mechanism for collecting and validating that information. In order for that work to ultimately have any value, there also have to be mechanism for applying it to real world operations in some way. Those are both engineering tasks, the application of science to practical functioning system. Basically, data engineering is the data science which focuses on जो भी डेटा हमारे पास होता है, डेटा कलेक्शन एंड एनालिसिस. Sixth technology is UI or UX design. Now, what is UI and what is UX? UX design refer to the term user experience design, while UI stand for user interface design. ठीक है, एक है experience, एक है interface. Both elements are crucial to a product and work closely together. But despite their professional relationship, the roles themselves are quite different, referring to very different aspects of product development process and design discipline. Seventh technology is cyber security. Security, the major issue, the major technology these days. Computer security, cyber security, or information technology security is the protection of computer systems and network from the theft or damage to your hardware, software or electronic data, as well as from the disruption or misdirection of services they provide. The field is becoming more important due to increased reliance on computer systems, the internet and wireless network standard such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and due to the growth of smart devices including smartphones, televisions and various devices that constitute the Internet of Things. Owing to its complexity both in terms of politics and technology, cyber security is also one of the major challenges in contemporary world. It is the major challenge that is to be resolved. So it is the most upcoming technology that is needed to upgrade. Eighth technology is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available in many users over the internet. Large clouds, predominant today, often have functions distributed over multiple locations from central servers. If the connection to the user is relatively close, it may be designated an edge server. Cloud computing is nowadays one of the most used computing and beneficial also. We should learn about it more and work on it. Ninth technology is blockchain. A blockchain, originally blockchain, is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked using cryptography. Each block contains cryptographic hash of previous block, a time span, and transaction data, generally represented as Merkle tree. By design, a blockchain is resistant to modification of the data. It is an open, distributed ledger that can record transactions between two parties efficiently and in verificational and permanent way. For use as a distributed ledger, a blockchain is typically managed by a peer-to-peer network, collectively adhering to the protocol for the inter-node communication and validating new blocks. 10th technology is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interactions. The definition of Internet of Things has evolved due to convergence of